I'm at 4308 Peach Court. We are in the Ohio City neighborhood. This is new construction. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, full basement. Let's go inside and take a look. So we just got this staged. So I wanted to give everyone a fresh look at the house. If you've seen this video before, but it just shows how when you walk in this center door, it just is so efficient because you've got your living room on the left, you've got your dining on the right, your kitchen, and it feels really good. And you can just see what a big space this living room is. It's great. Laminate flooring, coat closet, quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, lots of light. That's what I love about this house, is there's so much light. The other thing about this house is that it's a single family with an attached 2-car garage, which is pretty rare. You'll see attached garages, but typically they're underneath a townhouse. So we've got a closet here. This is as soon as you walk in the garage, walk in from the garage. And then we've got a pantry. So give you a view of the entire space here. There's a half bath off the hallway. Love this sink. It's really cool, very contemporary. Let's go upstairs. So straight ahead, we've got the full bath. Bedroom number 1, and again, just, I don't have the lights on in here. It's like, look at the light in here is just wonderful. Open stairwell here. It's the smallest of the 3 bedrooms, but still, if you want to use it as a bedroom, you can. Office, either one will work. Got bedroom level laundry, side by side. Linen. There's plastic on the floor, which is what you're hearing. And we've got the owner's suite. Again, just light-filled space. Double vanity. And we've got the large tile shower. Large walk-in closet. So we also have a full basement. We'll get down there. Got 9-foot ceilings on this main level here, so it really makes a big difference having that extra foot. One thing I always say with new construction versus like a really nice rehab, the big difference with new construction is the basement. It's like, I come down here, you can just smell it. It's bone dry. Tall ceilings down here if you wanted to finish this. Got a slop sink. But just give you the idea, the space down here. So you've got room for storage. Again, if you wanted to finish it, there's plenty of room for that. It's insulated. This is insulation that goes along with the green building standards that the city requires for tax abatement. And what I haven't talked about yet is the tax abatement, which is for 15 years. And the taxes on this house, I think, are under $500 a year, which is amazing. The other thing about this is it's in Ohio City. Just a block up are restaurants, coffee houses, lunch spots. There's a little improv place. There's a bookstore moving in. There is a music store that's selling guitars, amps, that type of thing moving in. Lots going on Lorain Avenue, which is right here. So that's really exciting. It's also still walkable to the West Side Market and the breweries and things on West 25th Street. Okay, thanks.